Hi all, my name is Raj from RCE. Today we're going to review M5 Smartband. In our review, we're going to cover unboxing, then how to charge Smartband, how to correct date and time, set up the application in our mobile phone, inform about the compatibility, which all mobiles and OS are compatible with, and then review all the features possible one by one. So if you can see my screen at left hand side, there are M5s. So this is a replica of MI Band 5 model. Cost wise, this is approximately 5 times lower than MI 5 band. So let us unbox first. This is a new Smartband M5 which came in the market recently. When we open the box, here is a magnetic charging cable. This is a new addition in M5. We will explain later. A Smartband, which looks like a little bit of M3 model, if people are aware of. Here there is a touch button. Behind you will see a sensor screen which is for BP and HR monitoring. Here we have a charging port. A user manual. Most of the time user manual doesn't have this strip. It gives the OS information and other things and gives QR code. So the application is Fit Pro, which you need to download from Google Play Store and iPhone Store. So this is the unboxing. You will get 4 parts: Smartband, it's a strap, a charging cable, and user manual. First thing, when you unbox, your band never has any charging. So you need to charge the Smartband first. To charge, if you see that, as I said, magnetic, which touches here. Now the difficult part is that if you try to hang it on any of the USB port, it is little tougher. I'll show you how. These are my USB port. I'm putting it here and hanging it. It may or may not charge because the location might have moved here and there. And if you see that, I put the another band on charging below and it is charging perfectly. So all are USB ports. And here I still need to adjust little bit to make sure that Smartband start charging, and wait for a couple of minutes and make sure that this is now charging. So one advantage and one disadvantage. Now usually on any new band we keep it for 1 hour charging minimum, and then we recommend to use it. I already put one Smartband on charging. This is also M5. It charged almost 1 hour and 53 minutes, which is a clock display. I mean, clock usually start from 12 o'clock when there is no charging or battery drained completely. So it is 1 hour 53 minute charge and almost complete charge. After charging, you need to put it in the strap gently this way. This is the first step which we had discussed about unboxing and charging. Now next important part is that, let me open my mobile phone. It is showing 4:46 p.m. Hope my screen is clearly visible. 4:46 p.m. and my Smartband is showing 1:54, which is a.m. So to correct date and time, there is no function in a Smartband to correct. You need to connect this Smartband with the mobile application, then you are able to correct date and time. To correct date and time, we need to download the application in our mobile phones. Mobile phone application is written in user manual, or you may have a QR code scan QR code. Through any QR code scanner, you will get an application name. I suggest download it from Google Play Store. If you are trying to download it from some site, your mobile itself says that download is unsafe and abort the download. So there are different manufacturers for each and every bands. Like M4 was manufactured by 5 or 6 different suppliers with different application. Same is going for M5 also. So I suggest check your user manual for application name and download the respective application only. One key question is that whether my band work with some other application. Our answer is no. It will work only its designated application which is written in user manual. It does not work with any other application. I'll tell you the reason. Every smart band has a chip, a motherboard which has SoC chip, system on chip. One chip itself has all the things, including board, your sensors, Bluetooth, everything into one, and ROM also. So it stores a small software file. So whatever is stored in the software file for reading the data, it only works with that. So a specific application which meant for reading that kind of SoC able to recognize the data. So you need to download the respective application to work for. Now, key important thing, how to move next. You go to your phone Google Play Store and download the application. My phone, it's very hard to keep seeing the phone. Let me connect my phone to my TV and then I will demo it step by step. Now, whatever I do on my phone, it wirelessly display everything on TV screen. So I'm going to zoom in. Hope my screen clearly visible. I kept my mobile. It is same screen. Hope it is very clearly visible. Whatever I do on my mobile phone wirelessly, it will do on my TV. I kept my smart band above so that it is very clearly visible. Let us see the time again. It is saying 2:05 and my mobile is showing 4:57 p.m. So it means that I need to set up my application. Now to set up application, I need to go to Google Play Store, or if you have iPhone, go to iPhone Store. It works from Android 5.0 onward and iOS 8.0 onward on any mobile phone. There is no make and model dependent. It is iOS dependent. Let us download Fit Pro application. It's an 18 MB file. I'm downloading it. See. Another important thing while it is downloading, switch on the Bluetooth on mobile phone, but do not connect smart band or do not pair smart band on Bluetooth. If you pair smart band in phone Bluetooth, then it try to pair the phone with operating system Bluetooth, and then it does not allow you to connect or bind the application with smart band. If you have done that, kindly unpair it from phone Bluetooth and restart both phone and smart band. This is key and important thing. Since my phone is very old, sometime it takes 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm pausing it. Good to see the application is now installed completely. Now it is on open state. Time again you will see 5:01. I'll show you in the smart band. 2:09 AM and that is PM. So what our task is that open the application by clicking the button. Now it will ask few questions to allow device location and photo media. You may allow or you may deny as per your requirement. Now it is asking notification read permission, where SMS and all other notifications, you open it or allow or disallow. Another important thing, if your phone has multiple applications, I have 3 applications: AirDroid, MiFit and Fit Pro. I am switching off MiFit, allowing Fit Pro to work. Now application is installed. Let us go back in application. Hope screen is very clearly visible. There is no difference at all. If you see at bottom, there are 4 options: step, set, motion and mine. Click on the second option, set. It is showing band is disconnected, find and all other things. Click on bind device and experience more feature. You will see many smart bands in my office, but at your home or at your place, you may have only one M5, the first one. And if you wish to check the detail, you can go to band. Let me switch off TV screen for a moment so that it is visible. Go to more, keep on button pressed for 3 to 4 seconds. Camera, looking for theme, reset and QR code. Here you can see the application name, and this is what the serial number of M5 band 101CA3F OB, which means that the same band would be, you need to see here, and that is this C98B 01CA3F OB. So I'm clicking on the smart band and it will try to connect. Hope my screen is very clearly visible to you. It is trying to connect now. Now it is saying Bluetooth base connection complete, time setting complete, synchronize data complete. Now if you see the smart band, it will be displaying correct time, date and time, 5:07 p.m. absolutely same. See, 5:07 p.m. without any gap. So this is the way you can correct date and time and connect your application. If you want to sync the application data with smart band data, there are 2 half circle. Press it, it will sync data is complete. So whatever your smart band has the data, it syncs with the application. Let us walk through the application. Switch off. Step count, where you have step, distance cover, consumption and target. This is all comes from 3D Excel sensor, which is on SoC board. Heart rate. Sleep monitoring. Sleep monitoring is only available in application once you sync the data with smart band. It is not available in smart band screen. Bright screen, which you can make it wrist activity. I mean, every time if you want to see the screen, what you need to do, you need to touch button. If you make it on, then what happens is that as soon as you move this, it glows up automatically. I mean, just emulate that this is your wrist, which you are just moving, and it will glow. So whenever you move the wrist and want to see the date and time, it displays, and after 3 seconds it switches off. So you need not touch the button again and again to see the date and time. Other, do not disturb. Almost everyone knows that. Alarm, how to set alarm. It's a normal alarm clock which you can make it plus, set up anytime, any day and confirm. Same way you can remove also. long sit reminder. I mean, at one posture, if you sit longer than a stipulated time, smart band reminds you. And here you can set your start time, end time. It means that at morning 8 o'clock till evening 10 o'clock, it reminds, because when you sleep you would be on one posture and you do not want to be disturbed because of this kind of reminders. So you can set up time from 45 minutes to 2 hours as per your comfortness. Remote take photo. Here you can take you can click a button and take the picture from mobile remotely. If I allow, then what happen is that camera is on and I want to take any picture. I can click it here. See, 3, 2, 1, and it clicks a picture. So this is the way I can use my smart band as remote camera. Push message. All the messages which I wanted to see in my smart band, I can enable and disable, including WhatsApp, Twitter, call remind, SMS remind, WeChat, Skype. All these available, frequently used, including Facebook. So all the message will be displayed on the screen, whatever you enable. Reset device. It resets the device with 0. Others, which has your vibration setting, a key important setting. Sometime you may feel that your smart band is not vibrating. You need to switch on from here. After that, there is a motion. Motion means that walking mileage. You can start manually from here. Mine, user profile. You can set up your daily step count, height, weight, age, nickname, your photo. This is all you can set up. About, this is all about the application. You can use it or you can scan it and download, same which we did. Feedback, you can provide the feedback. So this is all about application. One more important thing is step count goes 0 at 12 night the moment date changes. So you do not have to reset it, and if it is creating problem, then you need to reset your smart band once. And if it is still troubling you, step count not happening, or suddenly clock a lot of step count, or it stops at 65,000, these are very basic questions which keep on coming, then your 3D XL sensor is not able to read the data, or your application is not read the data correctly from SoC board, and which can't be rectified easily. So this is all about application. Now let us run the features from smart band. This is okay. Let me go back, remove the screen. This is the first screen, which is date and time along with step count. Next step, if you keep the button pressed, you will see further detail, step, kilometer and kilocalorie. This is from one sensor, 3D XL sensor, as we discussed about heart rate monitoring. Keep the button pressed. Keep the button pressed. It will start trying to read the data. If it is not able to, it will give you standard reading, or if you put the finger or wrist behind it, then you will have a reading. See, 70, 113, 82 and 95% of blood oxygen. Let me give you one more standard reading without even putting anything behind, to showcase that this is giving you standard reading if it is not able to read. And this issue is available in most of the smart bands, not only in this, because smart band app is designed in such a way that if it is not able to read, it gives you standard reading based on your previous track records. You might have seen that. Now let us move to the next Sports, keep the button pressed for 3 to 5 seconds. You will see the same running, walking, skipping, sit-ups. So you can use the sports as per your convenience. Message, you can read the message as we configured in our application. More, keep the button pressed for 3 to 5 seconds. Again, that's a remote camera, which we did that. Looking for, if your band is not searchable or your mobile is not searchable, use the looking for feature. Let me go back again. More, keep the button pressed, go to looking for. See, it starts showing the message. Next, after looking for theme, you can change the front screen theme. There are 2 or 3 themes. This is one more, this is second, and this is third. So you can choose any of the theme, and after that reset. QR code for application name, and this is our MAC address and OS version, and then come back on the main screen. Let me switch on, let me change the skin and show you how to change it. Go to more, theme, I want this theme, reached on, kept the button pressed. I think now on main screen, this is the theme, it has changed. So this is the way you can use the SmartBand. If you have any query, do write to us. We will try to address it as soon as possible. In next video, we will show you the comparison between M3, M4 and M5 SmartBand of 3 generations. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.